Have you ever been sitting somewhere and wanting to play something on your phone, but none of the games are interesting? Well, same. And being a self-proclaimed game developer, I decided to fix that by making my first ever commercial mobile game. I really wanted to make a game that you could play anytime without that much dedication, and the best idea I came up with was making an endless runner. The first thing I did was make a board in Canva that I'll be coming back to whenever I want to brainstorm or write down ideas. For this first devlog, I decided I would make a bare bones endless runner to get started with development while I fully decide on the game theme. But before I opened up Unity, I went into Krita and made a basic gradient background. Then I made the Unity project, and for now I left the name as Untitled Runner Game, because I don't have any name for this game yet. After making the project, I imported the background from earlier and made the buildings that the player will run on. For this game, the player won't actually move, but everything else will, to make it look like the player does actually move. With that, I made a basic Unity script that makes the buildings always move to the left of the screen. But I got a bug when I made the script, and that was because in the script, I told the building to teleport to the value of speed instead of changing the position with the speed of the speed variable. As you can see, there's one more bug, and that is the building stop. And if we look at the title for the game, it says Endless Runner. So I made a building spawning system that makes the buildings move forever. You can't really play the game right now, and that is because there's no player to control. So I added a capsule to represent the player. But if you look at Google's dinosaur game, for example, the player can jump. But in my game, the player can't really do that. So I spent some time analyzing the jump mechanics of Google's dinosaur game and eventually got it into my game. And for fun, I decided to add a double jump so the game could be a little more fun. After doing this, I switched the project to a mobile game and tried it out for the first time on my phone. With the knowledge of mobile support working, I added a score counter that increases with every second, and I made the player die when they hit the side of the building. With that, that's the end of the first ever devlog of my first ever commercial game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified when I upload a new video. See ya!